So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for kicking in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and to press the notification button. And if you're a newbie, welcome. And if you're an OG, thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see with the title today, we are doing highlighting and contouring. So, let's just kickstart. Enjoy. Alright guys, I've done my eyebrows and my foundation. So this is what I used for priming. It's the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying Plus Pose Maximizing. And for my foundation, I used my favorite infallible Stay Fresh 24 hours. So we're going to do contouring and highlighting. I'm going to highlight my face by bringing up those features and cancel the discoloration under my eyes. I'm going to use 2 shades lighter concealer than my foundation by creating a triangle. That's how I'm going to apply it. I'm applying it straight from the nose going down to the end of my nose. I'm just gonna put like a straight line my nose, then I will do it under my cheek. What I like to do, I like to take a brush, then first press it in before I'm gonna do with a beauty blender. As you can see, I'm distributing it from all the areas, trying to cover all the areas, just pressing it. Now that we highlighted our face, we're just gonna jump into contouring. We're going to contouring by bringing backwards the features and slimming down, creating dimensions in the look. We are using 2 shades darker concealer than the foundation, and we are taking the product underneath the cheekbones, then towards the temple of the head. As you can see that I am going heavy on the sides of my forehead because I have a round shape face. So I just want to create that structure like a pear look. Then on the nose, I'm just gonna contour to uplift the look. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you on my next video. Ciao.